Hello, folks. Welcome to another amazing podcast episode on TechEg. Today, we're going to discuss conversational service automation. But what is conversational service automation? Well, as we all know, customer service is the foundation and critical driver of customer experience. Yet, there are challenges for an average customer service provider for today's dynamic customer centric market. There are distractions, time challenges, and brand issues. This is where conversational service automation claims to be an emerging category of solutions by leveraging the power of AI to help enterprises deliver transformational customer services experience. But how? With that context and more angles to explore in hand, we are in conversation with Ravi Sarogi, co-founder and president APAC Unifor Solutions. Ravi co-founded Unifor Software Systems in 2008 with a vision to disrupt an outdated customer service model by bridging the gap between human and machine using voice, AI, and automation. Welcome to the show, Ravi.
Thank you so much, Sukriti, for having me on your podcast series. Unifor is a forefront of redefining customer service through AI-enabled conversational service automation to deliver advanced customer service experiences. Unifor's journey has been defined by its deep insight into customer needs and understanding market transitions to create a scalable SaaS-based business model and emerge as a prominent Indian deep tech product company, which is not only made in India, but built for the world.
Amazing. So I'm looking forward to some more details on the conversational service automation work, Ravi. Let's just quickly get started with the questions. So, how does conversational service automation
Mhm.
work? What are the domains it's creating an impact on?
So, Sukriti, Conversational Service Automation or CSA is a technology platform that is created for customer service industry, specifically contact centers. It is designed to introduce efficiencies into every interaction that is conducted with a customer. It can be via media of chat, email, voice, or even social media. It also supports agents and goes further to help an enterprise understand the conversation that are being conducted with their customers. CSA today combines the power of conversational AI, natural language processing, and robotic process automation on a conversation centric platform, and each of those conversations are being looked at in real time mode. At the end to end, CSA platform helps contact center transform to meet the new needs of customers while reducing cost and maintaining high quality despite rising call volumes. It does so by listening to and analyzing every call and using AI to automate and augment the conversational experience. Now, businesses that use CSA can effectively guide customers through self-service options using AI, which in turn reduces the burden of calls on contact center agents. The call, as it gets complex, then can be transferred to a human agent by the platform immediately and seamlessly, along with all relevant information, including the customer's history. This not only enables the agent to service double the number of calls in the same amount of time, but also provides them with instant solutions and ensures first call resolutions to be immediately executed. CSA also allows better productivity as it frees human agents by taking over mundane and time consuming tasks such as after call work summaries or following through on promises being made by them. The technology does not only benefit of eliminating human error, but it also delivers all the improvements at lower cost. In addition, CSA, with CSA, the companies and their contact centers can be future ready. This essentially means that a contact center agent can now work from anywhere while providing the enterprises with 100% visibility into every interaction conducted with a customer. Now, you asked me about in which domains CSA can make an impact on. Well, any industry that needs to be in touch with its customers on a regular basis has looked into our CSA platform. BPOs, telecom operators, financial services industry companies for were the early adopters of our platform, and they make today 50% of our customer base. We have also seen adoption by healthcare, hospitality, travel, retail sectors, and now with the new age e-commerce and food delivery at tech companies too.
Ravi, with this, I have a very pertinent question since you mentioned that it's going to make conversations easier for, the service providers. Do you think CSA is going to impact the call center industry on an executive level, and it is going to be equally productive from a service point of view since human interaction can be more organic?
Well, certainly, Sukriti, yes. CSA has already impacted the contact center industry in a positive way. It has facilitated multiple measurable benefits for the industry that were previously impossible to achieve. Uniphore has always placed a human being, which is the call center agent, in the center of each and every engagement of our strategy. Our CSA platform is built to act as a co pilot with the human agent and augment their capabilities. By deflecting regular transactional calls using an intelligent digital avatar and removing mundane tasks such as creating an after call work summary or following up on promises kept, we reduce the burden of calls of an agent and simultaneously feed the agent with relevant information on the call, along with the prompts on real intent of the caller. What that means is that human agents are freed to be more present on the call. They do not have to be distracted with manually pulling out data or checking on solutions on the back-end knowledge base, which has been integrated today into their solutioning. Technology feeds it to the agent in real-time mode so that the agent can be empathetic and efficient on the call and resolve customer issues rather than focusing on pulling out information from the backend. Now imagine a call where an agent knows who you are, what is your history with the company, why are you reaching out, and offers you first call resolution, be it your complaint, query, or request, without having you to be put on hold. It is basically an agent being human and making more memorable connections. Now, CSA facilitates more and more of such empathetic and efficient conversations between people. On the other side, it is also important for the organizations to look into this data, which is now being put into a structured format by CSA, which is much more accurate and not dependent on different agent training, all executed by the system in a much more robust way, and an uniform output can be generated across each and every call, which allows some of the largest enterprises to deploy their data lakes, and a lot of AI can be enabled on such data sets for them.
All right. So, what are the innovative measures and disruptive outflows that CSA brings to the CX industry, Ravi?
Can you come again on that, Sukriti?
Yes. So, I'm asking what are the innovative measures and disruptive outflows that CSA brings to the CX industry?
Well, if you look today, when a call comes to a contact center, it first starts with a IVR call, which is enabled through DTMF tones like press 1, press 2, press 3, etc. And then after that, the call moves to a real agent. And then as the call gets completed, the agent has to summarize the call in real-time mode, um, and ensure that the summary is posted in the call center backend systems in the CRM. That is where Uniphore CSA comes into the picture and brings all its innovation. Today, with our platform capability, we are enabled to really process the call end to end, real time through the platform, which AI being enabled into the platform and listening mode. Hey, Sukriti, can you just redo that? Sorry, there is some background noise and there's someone calling constantly. Can we redo that, please?
Yes, please. You can just start.
Just can you give me a sec? I'll just
Sure,
join
sure.
back.
Yes, please.
Sorry, just give me a sec. I'll just join back. Give me a sec. Sukriti, sorry, my son was around and he was just sort of knocking the door constantly, not able to concentrate. Really sorry about that.
No worries, Ravi. Okay, so you can straight away start the answering part, Ravi.
Okay, so if you look at today's call center, without being enabled with CSA, a typical call starts with an IVR application, an 1800 number that you dial in as a customer, and you press different buttons like press 1, press 2, press 3. And after a point in time, when you are really struggling with that, you press 0 and reach to a human agent where you ask your query, request, or complaints and enable that to get sorted. The agents, first thing first, will put you on hold, do your authentication, and just keep you on hold for about 5-7 minutes, losing a lot of time. And when they get back to you and they say they are not the right agents to take your information, the call will be transferred, and you do the same jig again and again, which brings in a lot of frustration. The moment you are done with the call, and which may take about 15-20 minutes, the agent now has to summarize the entire call and submit that as a disposition of that call into the backend CRM, which in itself takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, this is all being done today as the state of the art. What we are trying to do with CSA and improve our capability, or improve the contact center's capability with the CSA platform, we not only enable the first layer of conversation, which is the press 1, press 2 DTMF kind of an application through our virtual agent capability. You can now dial an 1800 number and straight away ask your query. You don't need to press any buttons. The virtual agent will be listening it and providing you a response on real-time mode, thereby bringing in tremendous customer experience improvements, as the person don't need to press buttons and can get their responses in local language, regional language, straight from the backend as they need it. Now, obviously, there are mundane queries and there are complex queries. As the queries get to complexity, the calls are transferred to the agent. And that's where CSA plays a crucial role, where our AI layer continues to listen to what the person is saying to the agent. And on real-time mode, we are able to detect emotion. We are able to detect cross-sell, upsell opportunities, potential compliance issues, and also help the agents to really focus on the call, while back-end mundane tasks of pulling out that information from backend, etc., is all done by our AI tool, and provide that information on agent screen so that they don't need to do all of the things, but just focus on the call. So what would have taken about 20 minutes in terms of resoluting that call can now be done in about 4 or 5 minutes. The most important factor that is today live with a lot of our customers is that the post-call, after-call work summarization. In the state of the art, as I've told, the agents have to summarize the call and takes about 2.5 minutes post-call. Given that we are listening to the call through CSA, we can do an end-to-end summarization in about 4 to 5 seconds flat, and thereby bringing in uniformity in all the summaries, and also enabling agents to edit if required and submit the summary straight into the CRM, thereby saving about 70 to 80% after call work time alone. All this put together brings in a lot of gain in customer experience and improvement of productivity for contact centers.
Great. So now I have a question which is on a separate note of maintenance, Ravi. CSA platform helps contact centers transform to meet customers' needs while reducing costs and maintaining high quality customer experiences. But do you think it's going to be a challenge on a software maintenance front, because automated platforms need more maintenance costs or app services and methods as compared to manual workflows in these domains?
That's a great question, Sukriti. Uniphore is a SaaS-based company with all our solutions available to our customers through this model. We are an AI-first company, and we aim to make our customers into the future and partner with them to meet their long-term requirements. If a company invests in our CSA platform, They'll be investing in technology for the future, where software will be automatically upgraded and all the services thereby required production support will be executed and delivered by Uniphore without any extra hassle. We offer one of the most powerful platforms for the CX industry that will continue to perform well over time and will continue to get improved over a period of time by adding more modules, which we have done in the recent past through our acquisition of RPA capability and video AI capability into the platform.
Great. I think that is the most important part when it comes to meeting the customers' needs, Ravi. I would want to know the future trends of conversational service automation. What are the things that we can see in 5 years down the lane?
That's a great question, Sukriti. At this moment in time, we are sure that we may never go back to how we functioned pre-COVID. Businesses have understood that they can maintain business continuity outside the four walls of an office. This means that telephone and video calls will come into greater play for employees to connect with each other, for sales and marketing executives to connect with the existing clients or potential clients, or even for the HR teams to reach out to the employees. As our dependence on digital channels increase, so too will the demand for tools that bring in greater efficiencies and insights. Humans could be distracted on a call and fail to pick up on cues that they would have had in a physical interaction. That is the space in which voice and video AI will take on an enhanced role, in my opinion. CSA will continue to find greater adoption as businesses utilize the potential of conversational AI to encourage as much a close working synergy between technology and humans. However, as we move forward, we will find that enterprises will look for both voice and video AI capabilities. Technology that is trained to understand what is being said, understand and evaluate facial expressions of people, and the meaning behind it will stand to win. This will allow for an additional source of intel to be introduced to help the human understand the dialogue. In order to meet the requirement at Uniphore, we have gone ahead and acquired an exclusive third-party license for robotic process automation technology from NTT Data to drive innovation, quicken time to market, and deliver intelligent front office automation for modern contact centers. That was done in October 2020. In January 2021, Uniphore has acquired Emotion Research Lab, a Spanish-based emotion AI company. With this addition, Uniphore will support enhanced customer experiences as well as new sales, marketing, HR, and other critical areas of business use cases. To our knowledge, there is no other company in the world that will have the depth and the breadth of knowledge and experience with voice and video AI, automation, and machine learning all coming in together to play a role of enhanced interaction analytics. By bringing in our technologies together, we will be able to transform the enterprise market in ways not previously thought possible.
Thank you so much, Ravi. With this, we come to the end of our podcast. It was an absolute delight to have you on the show. Thank you so much for sharing so much information on conversational service automation, Ravi.
Thank you so much, Sukriti, for having me on your podcast. Really enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you, Ravi. Audience, thank you for listening to us. Hope you liked this episode. I will be back with another podcast very soon. Till then, stay safe and take care.